All right, folks, this is lot 119C, as in Charlie. This is a 16-inch Republic Lagun lathe. Has a track DRO and 3-jaw chuck, power carriage, tailstock, steady rest, real workhorse of a lathe. Quick change speed, lots of different speeds on this one. You can get almost an infinite amount of speeds. It has a lead screw, cut threads. So Ray, let's see if we can power this up and see how she runs. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Carriage is moving. Feed is engaged. DRO is recording the change in directions. There's the cross feed, which I am working manually. There's lot 119C. Buy right, buy at auction.